Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO V21e. In this video I'll show you how to find File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to Files app. And thanks to Files app, you've got access to Recycled bin, Clean function, so you can clean junk files from the phone. Then you've got access to your internal storage and categories, and Nearby Share, thanks to which you can quickly send and receive files. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.